Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok profile views not showing. For example, if you open TikTok and you want to see how many person had viewed your profile, basically it is a feature which allows you to see how many persons have viewed your profile. But if you click on that and you find nothing, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the TikTok app, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to settings, and in settings what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset your all network settings so that your Wi-Fi router or any kind of internet connection can work properly. Moreover, you can also turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you can turn it off again so that your internet connection can be refreshed. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to again open your TikTok app, and here you have to click on profile and you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to go to settings and privacy. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to simply report that problem to TikTok team. So here you have to click on account and profile, and after that you can simply look for the problem. So here is the problem related to profile page, and after that you can simply select the problem you are having. And if there is an option available, which means how to turn profile views or history. And if the problem is solving by simply reading this, if the problem is still there, then you can simply click on yes, and after that you can simply go back. But if the problem is still there, then you can simply click on again. After that, now you have to click on no, and after that you have to click on need more help, and you will find another option. Here you can simply tell your feedback to TikTok team, and moreover you can also attach the screenshot or video of the problem which you are having, and after that you can simply get the solution from the TikTok team, and your problem will be solved on TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.